Let's go in particular to say for scanning for Matterport, pricing for scanning for Matterport. Or scan your space. Is this correct?
Well, so scan your space. I don't think I have anything listed for residential property.
Okay. So let's put it in for Sparks Media Group, pricing for Sparks Media Group. So this is relatively new. You've been working on your GPT for about a month in terms of training it and using it. So it may be that even some of the questions I ask, you may go, oh, I should add some more information to the knowledge base of the GPT. Creating a chart. Is that correct?
Looks about right. Yep.
Okay. If you would type in, respond to a Jim asking for a quote for 50,000 square feet. Okay.
I had the yesterday where I finished everything as scan your space.
Okay.
So my contact information, everything.
Okay. Dear Jim, name and contact person, thank you for reaching out to Scan Your Space for your 3D scanning needs. We specialize in creating immersive Matterport 3D virtual tours for large facilities like gyms, fitness centers, and other commercial spaces. For 50,000 square foot gym, here's an overview of what we can provide. Service proposal for Matterport, including a fully interactive virtual walkthrough dollhouse, pricing starting out, estimated, add-ons available, detailed. I mean, this is really crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that
the pricing's a little low, but yeah.
Okay. Well, if the pricing's off, that's something you'll know to go back to your GPT for training purposes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this the kind of thing that you might normally have done manually in the past?
Oh yeah. Yeah. And, I was kind of a layman in the sense that I, would get maybe several of the same type of requests, maybe over a month period. And I would type each email out. I wouldn't even cut and paste from previous emails. And so this has really helped out. I actually used it yesterday in responding to a client request for a floor plan. And the client said, we just need a floor plan for remodel purposes of a house. And I said, well, have you thought about doing a 3D tour as well? Because you can get a data file from it. And she said, no, can you tell me more about it? So I used ChatGPT to craft up an email that explained the differences between iGuide and Matterport and a black and white 2D floor plan. And I sent it to her and she loved it and forwarded it to her client who would be the one paying for it. So it helped out because it was a pretty long email.
Can you write out the prompt? I know it won't be word for word, but it just is an example of what you've done the other day.
Let's see.
While Tom is creating that prompt, you can visit scanyourspace.com and sparksmediagroup.com.